Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Studies suggest that frequent social media posts about partners are linked to relationship insecurity, while happier couples share less online. The sunlight perfectly highlights the true size of the puppy. Whatever you listen to, either good or bad, is conceived and will be given birth to in due time and season. Choose what to listen and what to ignore. Polyphasic sleep is where individuals take multiple short naps instead of single long sleep. India ranks second in terms of world's organic agricultural land. This is the first high definition atlas of the moon. Sometimes best memories make you sad because you know they won't happen again. Jay-Z has a color named after him. He collaborated with GMC in 2007 to make a special Yukon Denali in Jay-Z Blue. Few years ago, marriage was easy but divorce was difficult. Nowadays, it is difficult to get married but divorce is so easy. In 2011, a male grey wolf known as OR7 or Journey undertook a solo migration exceeding 1,000 miles across Oregon and into California in search of a mate. Crows hold grudges against individual humans for up to 17 years. A dad with Down syndrome raises his son to become a doctor, proving that love makes everything possible. Biggest money wasters. Spots on the back of these frogs mimic eggs to protect them. Adorable tiger cubs takes a moment to quench his thirst. One man set a world record by putting on 260 t-shirts at once. Meet Craig, one of the last remaining super tuskers on Earth. Peter Handlin, locksmith and clockmaker of Nuremberg, Germany, is the inventor of the world's first watch. Graceful movements of hummingbirds in the rain. You would likely mutate in space without a spacesuit. Jaguar spotted with missing part of her upper lip. Space travel makes mice run in loops. There is a trademark on the world's darkest shade of black. The space between the nostrils is called columella nasi. Your tears have a similar structure to saliva. They are mostly made of water but also contain salt, fatty oils, and over 1,500 different proteins. Playing dance music can help ward off mosquitoes. A fetus in the womb hears mostly low-frequency sounds, which may explain humanity's love of bass in music. Men waste thousands of gallons of fuel every year driving around while not asking for directions. Native American agricultural practices included the Three Sisters method, where corn, beans, and squash were planted together. In this system, corn provided a natural trellis for beans, beans enriched the soil with nitrogen, and squash spread across the ground, suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. Did you know that if Apollo 11 had failed to land on the moon, Apollo 12 was prepared to launch just 2 months later? However, with the success of Apollo 11, the time between launches was extended to 4 months and Apollo 12 landed on the moon on November 19, 1969. In 2014, a 3-year-old girl survived 11 days in the Siberian forest, which was infested with bears and wolves. With only her dog for company, she ate wild berries and drank from a river, curling up next to her dog for warmth. She was rescued when her dog returned to the village and guided rescuers to her. Kids who read with their parents have better behavior. When parents read aloud to the children, it gives them the opportunity to consider the thoughts and feelings of the characters, and it helps them learn what words to use to describe those difficult feelings, which ultimately teaches them how to control their own behavior when they are upset. In 1943, a volcano formed in Dionisio Pulido's Mexican cornfield, growing over 400 meters. By the early 1950s, before evacuating, he left a sign. This volcano is owned and operated by Dionisio Pulido. Commonly known as sand tiger sharks have a unique phenomenon called intrauterine cannibalism during pregnancy. The largest embryo in each uterus will consume its smaller siblings, ensuring that only one or two pups survive to be born. Bidens coronata, also known as the crowned beggar ticks, is that its hooked seeds were actually used as a source of inspiration for the invention of Velcro. Unknown facts about Adidas. The company was founded by Adolf Eddie Dassler, who made sports shoes in his mother's laundry room in Germany after his return from World War I. The three-strip of Adidas logo represent a mountain pointing out towards challenges and goals people need to overcome. It is a popular urban myth that Adidas is an acronym for All Day One Dream About Sports. The truth is that it's an abbreviation of the name of founder Adolf. In Portland, there are two giant superstar Adidas shoes on display. The shoes are 15 feet long and are a part of the Left-Right project. Adidas uses ocean plastic to form the upper parts of the shoes. They are made from at least 75% of intercepted marine trash. Thanks for watching.